Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So I'm struggling a little bit with the lighting today because I want to make sure for today's unboxing I have the best possible lighting. So we're doing it a little bit differently today since the sun is beating in from the house coming at me this way. So hopefully this will work. Wyatt is right here. You want to say hi, buddy? Look, he's right here, ready to go sleep. Maybe once I do this unboxing you get more excited. I doubt it. He's so funny. And Zena is right here behind me. She has a busy bone she's working on. So for today, I have a Decocrated unboxing for you. I'm so excited. I can't wait. My summer box is here. How much do you love Decocrated? I love it so much. So much. I can't wait to get into this box. Look how big. Such a big box. It is quite heavy as well, so I am sure it's filled with all kinds of amazing summer goodies. So let's dig in. So while I am digging into this box, just as a reminder, Decocrated is a home decor subscription box, $79.99 a season or quarter, or you can pay for it annually and save yourself some money, and then the total is $287.99. But of course, I do have a discount code for you. And if you use my discount code, which is LittleboxHappy10 for $10 off the quarterly subscription, or LittleboxHappy30 for $30 off the annual subscription, that will save you some money. I love this subscription. It is so much fun. They do such an amazing job curating pieces for your home that give it a wonderful refresh each and every season. All of the pieces are cohesive for season after season, so you can swap pieces out or just add them to what you already have out in your home, and I love them. Love them. So in case you are new to Decocrated, I will put links to my spring unboxing, as well as my friend and I did a face-off with our spring boxes, and it showed how we both decorated each of the items at our own homes. So I will link that as well, so it gave some great ideas with the spring pieces. All right, so for the summer, the theme is staycation. Can't wait to see what this looks like. All right, so you do get a little envelope that always has a booklet that showcases all of your pieces and gives you some ideas of how to place the pieces in your home. Also, there's always a featured artist, and you always get a new piece of art that you can put in a frame or decorate within your home in any way that you want to. And it's always double-sided. So here is this one. It says "Hello Sunshine." Love that with the lemons. And here's the other side. So how pretty is that? Love the colors. Love the colors. So the featured artist is a duo, Katie Holloway and Casey Free. And they are the first page in the book. So I'm not going to read you everything that's in the book, but Casey's in Seattle, Kate is in Boston, and yeah, there's lots of good information in their books. I love them. I love the books. They're always so helpful. Lots of great information. But let's get into the pieces in the box. Yes! And here's what it looks like as soon as I open the box. All right, Dana, what do you think? Did you finish that busy bone? Are you ready to see the fun stuff in here? She is so funny. She's so funny. All right, first up, look what's on top. A rug. I love this. I love a summer rug in blue hues too. So this is a nice size. Look at this. This is like a perfect rug for in front of a door. Hopefully you guys can see the size. It's got the fun little fringe on the end. I love the color. I think this will go with almost anything. And let me see what it says about it, if it's an inside, outside rug or not. So this is the summer rug. It says a woven rug to collect all of your summer's dirty ways. Use this as an indoor rug to add a touch of dusty blue to any room, or get trendy and layer with a smaller core rug atop for a more stylish look. No matter which way you choose to display this banded beauty, you can't lose. So it is a indoor rug. And here's just how they show it in the book. So this is beautiful. I like it. I'm curious if it says it is 80% cotton, or I'm sorry, 50% cotton, 50% polyester, and you can machine wash it in cold and air dry. Love it. That is gorgeous. Awesome. Let's keep going. What's in here? So even though everybody gets the same thing in each of their boxes, I think it is fascinating the many different ways that you can decorate with each of these pieces. It is fascinating to me because that's why my friend and I did the face-off. We both decorated these pieces in different rooms in different ways from our spring box. We had so much fun with it. It was awesome. All right, these are so pretty. These are pillow coverings. I love this. Every season always gets new pillow coverings, but look how pretty these are. I love yellow in the summer. This is an awesome, just almost a neutral color, so it's not too bright. You could really put this in any room. It's just gorgeous. And the palm leaves are perfect. And look at the other side. Burlap look to them. Gorgeous. So I love this. So this gives off a bit of a jungle vibe, and this is a total neutral. Either side, these are just so gorgeous and fit into my home perfectly. Love them. Love them. So I want to check and see if these, I wonder if they were indoor, outdoor. It doesn't say. It just says, greet the summer solstice with these folialicious pillow covers. One side shows off some jungle vibes with leafy vines and print on a warm yellow canvas material. Want to show your more neutral side, flip these lovelies over and voila. Regardless which side you choose, style is on your side. But I almost feel like these could be, they're reusable burlap tote. So I feel like these are an indoor-outdoor to me. I love them. Adorable. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Every box is like a surprise. I feel like it's Christmas. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. I love it. I love it. Look at this. I love it. So this is the succulent. Love this little geometric shaped planter that it comes in. So pretty. And then I'm going to, see how the color's in it? That's gorgeous. I love this. I have my very first box I ever got had a succulent in it, and I have it on the windowsill in my kitchen, and I love it. It's been there ever since I got it. It's just a perfect place. It makes me happy to see it there. You can't tell it's not real. My friends always think it's real, and it's not. And I've had it there for over a year now. Let me see what it says about this. They must always give you style tips on these pages as well. And here's some pretty ways that they showcase it. So I love it sitting on the different shelves in different ways, as well as just on a tabletop here. And it just says, breathing life into any room that is graced by its presence, the collection of faux succulents is a must add to your decor. Encased in a geometric stamped concrete planter, this motley crew of cacti will be doing its thing when displayed on a shelf or coffee table. Yeah, I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, there's still more. Oh, wait till you guys see this. Gold, in case you needed your gold fix. Take a look at this one. How pretty is that? So it's a geo planter. What do you guys think of that? That is such a cool shape. And oh, look how pretty. So I love the way they have this styled. So here they almost use it like for mail. How cute is that? And here they have it actually plants in them, hanging or on a tabletop, both ways. That's beautiful. The style tip is take your decor up a notch and use this Hexy Beauty as a tabletop planter. That's really pretty. I do like the idea. So you can see it does have little hooks here for you to hang it on the wall if you wanted to. Otherwise, you can just set it on the table. I love that. Very pretty. All right, what's in this one? You always get 6 to 8 pieces, so it really averages all of your items out to being $10 to $12 each, which I think is so worth the value for what you get. The pieces are all super quality, and I'm always impressed by everything that I get in my box each and every season. Check this out. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a mirror. You could probably use it as a tray as well because of like how deep it is. See how thick this is. But it's a hanging mirror. I love it. Love it. Love the wooden frame. I love the chain for the hanger. It's just gorgeous. So pretty. And do they tell me? Show you how they decorated with it to give you some ideas. They have it almost sitting on a tabletop, just hanging a little bit above the tabletop. And here they have it on a wall with some of the previous pieces from other boxes. That's very pretty. I love it. All right, and I think I have one more item to share with you. What could be in here? What is this? Getting all the packaging all over me. This one's sealed up pretty good. They always package this stuff so well. It fits into this box perfectly. I can never get the individual boxes back in the way they packed them. So it's like perfectly sized. So this is a little tray. And it looks like it might go into this little stand right here with an even bigger tray, which you could probably use these individually, or it looks like you stack them. Look how cute that is. Let's see if I can do it right. They have little, they have a little spot at the bottom that it hooks right in so that it sits nicely. And you just place these right on top. And look how cool that is. I love it. How nice is that? There's so much that you could do with this little tray. And the name of this is the 2-tiered tray. So not a fancy name. I want to see if they give you some awesome ideas for this. Okay, so I love how they have this decorated. Here's some ideas. Look how pretty they have it. Hopefully I'm showing you guys this. I love it with the drinks. They take the tray out and just use it for drinks in this bottom one here. And I like the red, white, and blue themed one there as well. They say for a style tip, you can lay parchment paper on the tray to place food items directly on top of it. That's a cute idea as well. This is just great. This is something you can leave out all the time and decorate with, or it's something you can use for serving as well. And then you can either take the trays off and use them individually. So lots of versatility with this piece. What do you guys think of this one? I like it. I like all of the pieces. And I've run out of room to hold everything. So this is all awesome. I am blown away yet again by Decocrated's ability to pull pieces together that just flow so nicely. Love it. All right, so that is all of my pieces. So I got the beautiful little wall art, the little art that I can put inside a picture frame, which I really love. I have this beautiful mirror. I love it, with a little chain hanging. I love that. I have my succulent, which is just gorgeous. My tray here. How pretty is that? And the geometric print or geometric planter. Not to mention the new pillow coverings, which I love. These are perfect. I think I can use those inside or outside. And my new rug. I'm set for summer. And these are pieces that you truly can use pretty much anywhere in your home. I mean, this would go just as nicely in a bathroom as it would in your kitchen, as it would in your entryway, right? You can put it almost anywhere. I just think that I love how versatile these pieces are. You could pretty much pick any room and make it work. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I so hope you enjoyed this. I love bringing this box to you. I will list the link to Decocrated down below, as well as my discount code in case you want to give this box a try. I'm going to have to think about where I want to put all of these pieces and hopefully come back and share some pictures with you on Instagram as to where I started to decorate with my Decocrated pieces. So please comment down below and let me know what you thought. Do you have a favorite item out of here? Do you have ideas of where and how you could style with these pieces? I hope so. I can't wait to read your comments. Please stay healthy. Please stay well. Please hit that like and hit that subscribe. I can't wait to read your comments. And until next time, have an amazing day. Bye, everybody.